Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video I will basically analyze the TCS interview results. So as you know that first time in the history they have released the result within 7 days. And friends, this is one of the important video. I'll suggest everyone must go through this video very carefully, because I will talk some of the important point that you will not get from anywhere. Okay, and this is also my personal experience and other candidate experience. So I will also talk about selection criteria and next phase update. So सबसे पहले बात करूँ कि that if you have got the mail that you can now fill the application form, that it means you have been selected for the interview. Okay, now which category? So if you are 2025 pass out, then strong chance that you will be selected either for digital or prime. But if you are 2026 pass out, then they have not clearly mentioned, but I think you will be selected either for Ninja, digital and prime. Again saying friends, it completely depends. Many of the candidates were saying that no, Ninja will not there, so it might be there because they have not clearly mentioned in the portal. Okay, I mean, 0 year experience means 2025 pass out, but if you go down, then they have also talk about the Ninja, means they might be hired that. Okay, now you can see this is the mail students are getting. So we thank you for interest in TCS career opportunity, and reference ID and all those things they have mentioned. Now without wasting our time, let me talk about the result analysis and what actually selection criteria is. So my result analysis बात करूँ, so this is the good thing that first time they are basically sending the reward within 7 days, and it will basically do, means they are doing normalization. Okay, means अगर कोई शिफ्ट में अगर वही क्वेश्चन बहुत इजी आ जा रहा है, देन their cutoff will be also high. And one of the very important point that I want to talk, that coding is not enough to get selected. You have to do well in the apti section, mean numerical ability, reasoning and English, you have to do well. Okay, so apti वगैरह पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दीजिए. बहुत स्टूडेंट्स भाई कोडिंग उतना अच्छा नहीं है, फिर भी they are selected because the selection criteria is first they are checking the foundation section, then advanced section, then only coding. So if you will not perform well in the numerical ability, now then there is a very less chance to get this interview call that I can see. Okay, I have talked to almost more than 2 to 3 candidates, and both for selected and non-selected, mean they are saying, but still I will suggest this, hope for the best. There are still time, they might give the updated result. Okay, don't lose the hope. Okay, because they TCS क्या होता है भाई, बहुत मल्टीपल लोकेशंस के लिए मल्टीपल जगह से हायर कर रहा है, and they have requirements. So you have to just wait if you haven't got the mail, and must comment whether you got the mail and your reason, so that other student will get idea that whether they are getting mail or not. So that's the important things I want to tell, that आप लोग भाई अच्छे से न्यूमेरिकल एबिलिटी कीजिए, एंड जो भी मैंने कोडिंग सीरीज को कंप्लीट किया, जस्ट गो थ्रू दैट, and must join our WhatsApp or Telegram group. I am saying in every video, because there I have already shared you the free preparation material, not only for coding but also for numerical ability, reasoning, verbal. So just go through all those questions, and students are also getting positive result. So those who got the result, congratulations, now one step closer. So must fill our mock interview form. We will provide you dedicated guidance to clear this interview. We have already provided more than 40 plus section in on campus. So that's the thing that I want to tell, that अब भाई आप लोग अपना होप ना करें and अच्छे से प्रिपेयर कर ले. Okay, because most of the candidates have interview in April month, so you will get very less time. So start preparing for the interview, especially DSA part, core in Java, and whatever the things you have mentioned in your resume. Again, whenever you are uploading the application form, don't give any detail which you are not have idea. अगर आप कोई full stack project दे रहे हैं, AI दे रहे हैं, तो you should have idea about the AI and all those things. Okay, so don't basically try to shadowing the TCS or shadowing the what can I say, interviewer, because they know they are the experienced guys, and they know that what you are know or what you don't know. So कोई भी एक्स्ट्रा चीज मत दीजिए जो कि आपको इंटरव्यू में करे. So best of luck to all the candidates who have further exam and who have further interview. कहीं से भी आप बट मॉक इंटरव्यू जरूर दीजिएगा, either you are taking my mock interview or not, but mock interview will basically boost your confidence in real. So hope informative to कोई भी डाउट है, feel free to ask her. We can also connect on LinkedIn, and you can ask any question on Insta, Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere. So all the wise, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. थैंक यू.